and lie to sell unfulfilled promises because it's palatable. He is not going to leave his stable wife nor move to a different state or fill in the blank for the pleasure that he gets to simply pass the time. Plus, do not think for 1 second you are the only woman that he's complimenting. Be for real. He's advancing his career, so should you. It's work. As women, carry that approach when it comes to group or team projects. Like your team members enough to get the end goal met. Do not take what they say or do personally so far as it does not impact the end goal. If there are differences in opinions on the best route to take, go with majority. While you are in the group, if you are good at formatting and putting everything together, vocalize that. Lead with your strengths because it benefits you. And say it with me, the group project. Something else I want to mention is if it seems like things are not progressing in a timely manner, mention and document it and then bring it up to your professor or manager. Try as much as possible to mitigate all issues independently. Professors and managers already have enough on their plates, and they don't have the bandwidth to babysit adult children. And when you go to the professor or manager, mention how the delay is impacting the expected delivery and provide 2 options for them to choose from. Work it in your favor. I have done this. It works. Do not lead with your feelings, especially if the professor or manager is a male. They do not care. At best, you look like you can't prioritize, and at worst, you come off as someone with low emotional intelligence. That does not benefit you in a school environment or at the workplace. Save that for your hobbies. Working with people who have different communication styles, different approaches to problem solving, and etc. requires strategy. Some experiences will be smooth, while others will be bumpy. But whatever you do, do not get distracted.